Hello friends, welcome to Aditya Higher Mathematics. In this video, I will say two main reasons behind the mathematical fact why the value of 0 factorial is 1. Now see the first reason. In first reason, I will prove using the mathematical way. We know the factorial of any natural number is the multiplication of all the natural numbers less than or equal to that number. So we will start from natural number 1. You know 1 factorial is, and 1 factorial you are finding means you have to multiply all its natural numbers which are less than or equal to 1. So it will be 1 only. When 2 factorial, 2 into 1, 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1. Like this, if you find n minus 1 factorial, where n minus 1 is any natural number, then obviously it is n minus 1, n minus 2 up to multiplication 1. Next, finally, n factorial is n into n minus 1, n minus 2 up to 1. So now I will say why the value of 0 factorial is coming 1 using the n factorial. This n minus 1, n minus 2 up to multiplication 1 is just the value of n minus 1 factorial. You can see this. So now in place of n minus 1, n minus 2 up to 1, I will write n minus 1 factorial. Okay. So next step, that n I am taking left side. So n minus 1 factorial value we will get n factorial by n, or like this we can write. Now since we are writing this for all the natural numbers, so just put the value of n is 1, and now see what is coming. 1 minus 1 factorial is equal, in place of 1 we are writing, in place of n we are just writing 1. So here what we are getting, 1 factorial, just I told here it is 1. So 1 by 1, and left side it is 1 minus 1 means 0. So 0 factorial is 1 by 1 is 1. So this is the first reason why 0 factorial is 1 I told. Next, the second reason is very interesting, where I will say in a conceptual manner. This factorial concepts actually related with the concepts of arrangements, distinct arrangements. If we are arranging some distinct objects or elements, we are using the factorial concepts. For example, just I am taking a set with 3 elements. Okay, we are taking a set with 3 elements. Then how many ways we can arrange elements? Just you see, we can write 1 2 3. The elements I am taking is 1 2 3, or we can write 1 3 2, or we can write 2 3 1, or 2 1 3. So these are the all distinct arrangements of 3 elements. Three 1 2 and 3 2 1. Now you can see all arrangements I have written. So total 6 ways it is coming. In the same way, if we will take 2 elements, then how many ways we will see this? 2 elements means 1 2 or 2 1. Only 2 ways we can express this. If you are taking 1 element, then only 1 way. And why it is related with the factorial concept, just see. If you are taking 3 elements, we are getting 6. and the 6 ways means it is just the value of 3 factorial, because 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. So the distinct arrangements is related to the arrangements of distinct elements. Similarly, in the 2 elements, if you are taking, so it is 2 factorial. So 2 into 1, 2 distinct arrangements. If one element we are taking, one way means 1 factorial value is 1. Then question is, if a set contains no element, then what is the way to express? You know this. If a set contains no element, we can still express in one way. And since a set contains no elements, so number of elements is 0. So we are getting one way. So the 0 factorial is also equal to 1. We can understand like this. Thank you friends. Please give your comment what topics you need. If you like then like my video and share to your friends, and also subscribe my channel for such type of more interesting videos. Thank you.